Good morning, dear children, and welcome to your science class. As today in this session, in this video, we will discuss about the terrestrial plants. Now, without wasting our time, let's start our video. Now, after hearing this name, the first question arises in your mind is, what are terrestrial plants? Plants which grow on the land. It could be on mountains, either in the plain areas, in the desert areas, wheresoever. But the plants which grow on land are called terrestrial plant. Here we have many examples. It could be a peepal tree, it could be a cactus, it could be the pine or fir, anything. Wherever the plants are living, they change some of their habits to attain stability or to survive in any particular condition. Now, these changes that help any of the living species, any of the living being, animal, plant or the insects to survive, it is called adaptation. Terrestrial plants are of many types. Some of the plants grow on the mountains, some grow in the plain areas, or some grow in the marshy areas. So one by one we will discuss everything. So first here I am going to discuss conifers. Conifers are the trees which grow on the mountains. These trees are very long and tall so as to get more sunlight. As you know, plants need sunlight because they need to prepare their food. These plants, their structure is like cone, like they have slopes. As you can see in the picture, they have slopes in their branches. Their leaves are needle like, bit hard, and also they are waterproof, so as the snow or the rain do not spoil the leaves or the plants. One more adaptations these plants are having, that their seeds are present in a wooden cone. Seeds grow in a cone, and when they grow fully, cone opens and fall down. Its example is pine, fir, and there are many other plants which are growing on the mountains. Moving to the mangroves. Now you must have heard this name for the very first time. As you can see in the picture, you can see water over there. Mangroves are growing in such places where the sunlight is not able to reach this earth surface, and due to the clay soil, the water retains there only. The soil retain water, and due to that, now the soil became marshy. Marshy means daldal, right? And in the marshy areas, it is not possible for the roots of plant to get air. So as you know that air is needed for the growth of plant, so mangrove plants grow their roots above the soil. In the side by picture, it is given here that it is shown that the roots are growing above the soil, and here these roots absorb the air or take the air and help a plant to survive in such a difficult situation. Now moving to the desert plants. What is a desert? A desert is a place where the rainfall is very less. Most of the sand present, soil present is in the sand form. रेत होती है वहाँ पे, ठीक है. And due to the less rainfall or minimum rainfall, it is not possible to survive for all the plants over there. So only short, small plants grow over there, and its example is kikar, this cactus, these are mostly growing in the desert. So here I am explaining the desert plants. In the desert plants, either the roots are growing very deep because the soil is almost dry and it is not possible for a plant to get water in the upper layers of soil. And one more adaptation they are having, that to save water, as the climate is very hot and the conditions are very arid, so the plant changes its leaves to thorns. In the side by picture you can see that the thorns are present over there. Even you can imagine the cactus in which thorns are there. Those thorns are actually leaves, and the green part which we can see is a stem, that is stem of a plant. And this is the adaptation of desert plant to survive in hot and arid climatic condition. Now stem is green in color, so it perform photosynthesis and prepare food for the plant. And also if you try to touch this, you will feel this is a bit succulent, means you can press it. It is spongy type because it store water for the future use. Now these thorns also play one more important role, as plants are very less in the desert, so the animals moving there will try to eat the plant whatever they will see, but due to these thorns animals are unable to eat desert plants. There are certain trees which never shed their leaves, means they shed their leaves alternately, means throughout the year they used to have green leaves on their branches. So such leaves which remains green throughout the year are called evergreen trees. Most of the trees growing in the mountain region are evergreen trees. Even coconut tree, teak, all these are examples of evergreen tree. And the other type of trees we are having is the broad leaved or flat leaves plant. Now this flat leaf, they mostly grow in the plain areas, as the flat leaf help them to absorb sunlight, they prepare their food easily, and also they perform transpiration and evaporation. As a result, they keep the plant cool during the hot climatic conditions. So I expect that all the terms we learned today are clear to you. So once again we will revise. The plants which are growing on the land are called terrestrial plants. They can be on the mountains, in the plain area, in the marshes, or in the desert. The plant growing in the mountain are called coniferous. The plants growing in the marshy areas are called mangroves. Which grow in the desert are called desert plants. We have evergreen trees, flat leaf trees, and even crops are there which grow in the plain areas. So try to understand. If you don't get anything, you can ask me anytime. Thank you and have a nice day.